Hi, I'm Stanley Kim. Welcome to the Tulip Experience Center. In this demo, I'll show you how Tulip enables real-time machine monitoring and control on a continuous manufacturing process, like this bottling line, to reduce downtime and increase productivity. The control line, we built a custom control panel application in Tulip. The operator selects a work order and presses start. Tulip sends that command through a Tulip Edge IO device connected to our PLC, in this case, an Arduino Opta, which starts the conveyor. From this moment, runtime and machine activity are automatically tracked inside Tulip. As bottles move through the line, onboard sensors count each unit produced. That data is sent into Tulip as a machine attribute, allowing us to track throughput in real time. Operators and supervisors can instantly see whether the line is meeting production targets. We also monitor critical operating parameters, including temperature, vibration, and fill levels. Through our integration with Belden's Cloud Rail platform, IO Link sensor data streams get sent to our UNS, which we pull in as a data source in Tulip. If a parameter begins to drift outside of its normal operating range, Tulip logs the deviation automatically. Low and medium level alerts are recorded for trend analysis. But if a critical threshold is reached, Tulip immediately stops the line and notifies the supervisor, preventing minor issues from escalating into unplanned downtime. With Tulip, machine control, performance monitoring, and condition-based intervention all come together in one unified system. The result is greater visibility, faster response times, and a more resilient manufacturing operation.